慶祝歡送停靠喺碼頭邊上嘅3艘新造船舶嘅離廠交船。呢3艘船舶係一艘6200方高性能智能燃料運輸船 Zaki Dream， 以及2艘48米智能綜合海洋資源船 Zaki Harmony、Zaki Star。今日我哋喺呢度為呢3艘凝聚無數心血嘅船舶舉行離廠儀式。佢哋不僅係鋼鐵與科技嘅結晶，更加係全體員工智慧與汗水嘅豐碑。喺呢度，我謹代表船廠向所有參加建造嘅團隊、支持我哋嘅合作夥伴以及即將駕馭佢遠航嘅船員們，致以最崇高嘅敬意和最熱烈嘅祝賀。回顧建造嘅過程，呢3艘船從藍圖變成現實，經歷18個月嘅日夜奮戰，每一個部件嘅焊接，每一條管路嘅鋪設，每一次系統嘅調試，都烙印着我哋對安全、質量與效率嘅極致嘅追求。面對技術攻關嘅挑戰，團隊以創新突破瓶頸；面對交付節點嘅壓力，我哋以協作化解難題。正係呢份精益求精、永不言棄嘅工匠精神，使得今日嘅交船成可能。我哋感恩船廠所有嘅員工並肩同行，佢哋喺呢座海上城堡嘅締造者，係設計師嘅緊密構思，工程師嘅嚴謹測量，一線工人嘅巧手雕琢，共同賦予咗佢哋嘅生命。特別感謝項目組喺颱風季節堅守工地，喺深夜測試設備嘅付出。所有嘅員工，你哋係船廠最堅實嘅脊梁。我哋衷心感謝船東 Zaki Marine 對順海嘅信任，將建造呢啲船舶嘅重任託付俾順海造船。喺合作中，船東佢哋展現出卓越嘅信任同埋專業嘅支持。呢啲船舶嘅成功建造，彰顯出雙方以誠信築基礎，以共贏行致遠嘅合作理念。我哋衷心感謝船東代表 Mr. Muhammad、Mr. Hassan、Mr. Haider 嘅信任同埋支持。我哋感謝供應商嘅鼎力支持，確保材料設備零缺陷交付。我哋感謝船東代表嘅嚴格監造，推動品質持續提升。我哋感謝船級社嘅對順海嘅支持指導，助力順海喺造船工藝技術水平上不斷提高。我哋嘅合作印證咗同心合力、山海可平嘅力量。今日呢3艘船嘅交船離廠，佢唔係終點，而係佢哋嘅使命嘅開始。佢哋喺蔚藍嘅大海上，將成為經濟嘅紐帶，串聯起國際貿易嘅脈搏。佢哋將成為技術嘅名片，彰顯中國製造嘅卓越水平。佢哋將成為安全嘅堡壘，為每一段航程保駕護航。最後，讓我哋共同祝福新船啟航，一帆風順，乘風破浪，使命必達。
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد بسم الله مجراها ومرساها صدق الله العلي العظيم. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For sure, everybody of us have a special moment in his life, and it is proud for me to register this moment as one of the wonderful and very special moment in my life and in my career. To be standing in this stage, achieving this absolutely amazing project by the support of everybody here, standing with us, by his attendance, by his spirit, by his feeling. Nothing was being achieved unless hard working, like a team working, provided and supported by every one of us here. And I will never forget to send a special prayer to the spirit of the founder of our company, Mr. Zeki Al-Zayer, God will bless his soul. And of course, I will never forget to mention my boss, our founder, our CEO of the company, Mr. Muhammad Al-Zayer. Without his support, we will never reach the step and achieving this milestone in the career of our company by increasing the fleet of our company working with Saudi Aramco. And of course, a special thanking for the hero of the stage here, Mr. Willie, that he never spent any effort supporting our projects, which is a start from the zero until we have a live vessels here, Zeki Dream, Zeki Harmony, Zeki Star. That was a very big challenge for everybody here. It is not a simple vessel, it is very complicated vessel, and it is very challenging project that Mr. Willie and all the guys here from the Shunhai shipyard, from the subcontractor, from all other people that are supporting us, they are achieving amazing work, which really we are proud of them. So really from our deep heart, I would like to say very big thank you for Mr. Willie and for all people in Shunhai shipyard. And I will never forget my lovely team, which without their support, we will never achieve any step forward. Thank you for our crew. Thank you for our lovely crew. Thank you for our team, short support team. And we wish that we will have a safe journey, guys. And of course, it will be the first cooperation, long life cooperation with Shunhai Shipyard. Thank you very much, and enjoy everybody a happy day in advance. Thank you very much.
现在我们迎来了彩虹。刚才传东说了这么长，可能有些人听不太明白。我总结了一句，就是感谢我们的团队，感谢我们的团队，没有我们的团队的合作，没有传东的支持，就没有我们现在 Zaka Marine Sea Eagle 的这么多船在这里。也感谢传东 Sea Eagle 对我们船厂的信任。总的来说，我想讲的是3点，一个是万事开头难，因为这3条船，包括后面一系列船，我们都面临着同样的问题，就是智能符号。这个是全中国第一批海工船带有智能符号的船舶，所以我们在解决这个智能符号、解决这个技术问题的时候，我们花了非常多的时间，这个是大家看不到的。而且我们在建造的过程中面临了太多的不确定因素，去年的雨水、炎热天气等等都给我们造成了很多的影响。但不管怎么样，我们还是按时的完成了项目，所以还是应了中国那句话，好饭不怕晚。希望这个满载着我们船厂这么多员工辛苦的心血的产品，也满载着 Zeki 家族的梦想的3艘船顺利起航。感谢各位，谢谢。